across the road from that old place. Got another road sign.
There's a barn though.
Here you go.
The barn's up there. Obviously, it doesn't look like anybody
That's
keeps either of
fucking
them.
fly lands on. Everybody said it's dead.
Calm down, man. We're recording.
I'm going.
Hold on, we'll go there in a bit. We gotta see if there's something back here. I think there is a house.
There's a big oil tank.
I'm looking.
Is there any on me? No, no, man. It's all right.
There's another barn collapsed back there.
Oh, fuck.
Partly collapsed.
We hit the jackpot, boy.
Hopefully these cameras last. Will be good.
Good picture right there, Dylan. Stop where you're going. Stand back. Oh, look at the one behind it, man. Look at that. Get right in.
Turn around. Turn around.
Look at the hood. That's a good hood.
What's that? Oh, another oil tank in the woods there.
Man, this is cool. Look at this truck, dude.
Hold on.
With the old Cherokees. Hold on, this will be perfect.
I should try to get in that afterwards, get another picture of my head poking out the side. No, that's just weird.
You're gonna look like a big dick on me anyway.
There she is.
I had a smoke in my head. Fuck.
Oh, hang on to that.
I had a
You
smoke
take
in my
that?
nose.
He's getting in. Watch the whole thing just crumple on him.
Look at the size of the tires on the thing.
Oh yeah, they're probably like 30. Yeah.
Don't crawl right in there. This one looks easier to crawl in. Man, I almost got friggin' some kind of disease.
Everything's a disease.
Oh, dude, this door actually opens. It functions.
Oh, dude, there's a dead guy in there.
No way.
That was weird.
Was that a bird?
I don't think so, man.
Now the side panel of the truck's gonna fall off if I stand on it. The whole floor is rotted.
There you go, bud.
Loving this stuff back here, man. Look at the bumper.
Old trailer. Look at the old friggin' what's that? Cages of some sort? Oh shit. Dude. See the old tractor back in there? See the old tractor right there?
Yeah, there's like a shit ton of them. Look at, there's like fucking how many here? Old tractor.
That's a big tractor, man.
Man, what is with these things? Sounds like one of those creepy movies when there's a bunch of flies flying around a dead body. You opening the door? Oh no. Over on the other side of that track.
I feel like some wrong turn kind of crap right now. You know what I'm saying?
I do.
That one of me tripping out though is gonna be a good shot. I just turn, all you hear is keys coming. Weird to whistle though. Or was that a ties, yeah.
Alright, trek back to the barn.
Fall through into the basement. There's dead
I
bodies.
think it's going to enter the basement of the barn first. Oh! That's sketchy.
Let's just go in, guys. If it falls and kills us, we'll have it on video.
You got a lot of stuff.
Oh
in
man,
there.
look at the old car in there.
All right, gotta go in.
Oh, Cody's like, what? No way. No way. An old truck thing, old car. This old crib. It's actually in good shape, like the frame. Look at it. It's all surface rust, dude.
But there's a boat.
There's a rusted bit. Watch here for the glass. That's nuts. I love it.
What kind of car? Chrysler.
Yeah.
Help. Someone wrote help on it, dude.
Where?
Look.
See that? Yeah.
And that's gonna be
Patrick.
F. Patrick.
What?
And he was the one who loved the truck.
Look at that. Help.
Patrick, that's trips.
That's mess, man.
Here you go, Pat. Is that a Chevy?
No,
Yeah,
it's
no,
an
it's a
old
Chrysler.
Dodge.
Chrysler.
No, but that looks like the Chevy symbol there in the front.
That's Chevy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
100%.
Look out.
And if they got old vehicles and stuff down here.
They were pegs. What do you need help with?
That is a big friggin' like boat, man.
Right?
Oh, and that's head on everything.
Man, that's crazy. It says help. I wonder if
It's a
they'll catch
rope. I thought it was a friggin' spider.
Is there anything in this barn with us? You were here making a noise. Is there anybody in here? You're not here to hurt you. Make a noise.
I didn't know nothing.
I didn't.
I got my cell phone in my hand, dude.
That's weird. Look at this, man. How it just warped that long.
Make a sound if you were here.
Where's your mark? Look at his lockers and shit in here, man. Probably had people working for them at one point.
Can't get out from under this.
Big time, dude, definitely.
Do it, Blaine.
I worked on one. That's when I got sun called up on. Got wet, got hard.
Man, why would somebody let that go to waste?
Oh,
Oh.
Tripping me out, dude. I didn't know you were coming on. What?
again with a ladder going up
For nothing.
on both sides. That one goes all the way up to the friggin' top.
Yeah, they got a bar ready.
Look how far that ladder goes up.
But there's a bar too.
Yeah, the bar.
Oh yeah. Toss it across or wheel it.
Oh, he even went right out the door again. That's gonna finish my board. He's fine now. Crazy. Alright, I think that's all I need on camera for now.
think so, yeah. I think we're done. I'm gonna keep mine recording until we get to the car.
I'm throwing shit at you, Cody. That's
Down
really
to the bottom.
What? Closes the door. Hold on. Hello, sir. Are you home, sir?
Better yet.
Oh.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Make sure we lock up that pig. The fuck was that?
You could go off in the middle. Imagine someone come in here just to grow weed.
Yeah, you could.
That wouldn't surprise me.
Man,
That's pretty cool.
feel how soft it is though. Any money somebody does. You can just cultivate it. Look how green it is in here. Oh man, we should do it. No, I'm just kidding. Somebody
Yeah.
just crushes it.
Oh, they said get in it.
I said, look out.
Oh.
No, hold on, get in here. Get in here there. Chief. We're gonna try to jump and hold on to the side of the wall in the corner so the stickers are. He's talking the other reach.
Oh, yeah? I can't do it. Plus I got that slice on the side of my finger, dude.
Hey, move harder.
You got to go outside
I'm unwanted. You can crawl up the fence and get up. Oh, did I? Nice.
Find a text message. My jerker, where are you?
Did you have your knife on me?
I got a knife on me.
No. It's probably a rock, bro.
Oh, okay. Just want to make sure. Looks like a knife.
There's like a barn kind of behind the house, too. Almost like it's a pasture brick. What? That's some little tractor cutters and kind of one little quick cut to get in. That's
So you got that little foundation, and we got this little friggin' area over there. What is it?
See? It's just like cows walking in here.
Where's he going?
Gotta be able to really get over there.
We just hopped over here.